Whether this is your 10th trip to Seattle or your first time ever, Ivar's Acres of Clams is a destination you don't want to miss. Quirky, fun, and loaded with Seattle history, this iconic restaurant has everything you need for an authentic Seattle experience.
It's a cool breeze, there's the ocean views, you can see the boat.
When you talk about classic Seattle cuisine, you have to talk about Ivar's.
It's huge.
We think it's the biggest restaurant in Seattle.
CEO Bob Donegan brings the fun to Ivar's through humor and friendliness, just like founder Ivar Haglund did many years ago.
He loved to entertain. Whenever there was an opportunity for him to earn publicity, he would do so. When the railroad trains across the street here spilled corn syrup on the waterfront, he raced in and had Chef Seidenquist make him big pancakes, and he ladled fresh corn syrup on the pancakes and said, "Come to Ivar's, we don't skimp on the syrup." We know that part of the fun of Ivar's is being quirky and bringing excitement to the community, so we're always looking for little strange things.
The chowder, man, I tell you, they know how to do it up.
Now remember, Ivar's won't allow your husband to have more than 2 cups of clam nectar without your written permission.
I came here one time when I was on a work trip, loved it, have to come back.
We're from Florida.
We came from California.
We're from the UK originally.
We're heading on an Alaskan cruise.
In this restaurant at the center of the Seattle waterfront, during the summer, the average distance a customer travels to get here is 504 miles.
Gotta go to Ivar's.
Gotta go to Ivar's.
I love it.